Today we are going to create this realistic renderings and animations using SketchUp and Enscape. So let's get started. So I already created 3D models with furniture. I think you guys know how to create 3D models in SketchUp. If you guys want tutorial about how to make 3D models in SketchUp, please let me know in the comment below. Once we created 3D models and furniture, we can start applying materials on the object. First we can start with wooden materials. So we applied materials and all the objects in the 3D model. So next we start how to use Enscape and how to animate and how to render the image. To start Enscape, we need to click here, then it will load like this. So Enscape is a real-time rendering software where you can see sunrise coming through the window. It looks like real, and also you can adjust sun path and day night. First you need to split screens, one for Enscape and one for SketchUp. So we can see if we change any materials specification, it will directly show in Enscape. So first we can apply material to this faucet. You need to click here. There you can see the editing for the material. You can decrease the roughness. It will give some reflection to this material when you decrease the roughness, and metallic will give more reflection in the material. And the Enscape is a easy to use software. You can edit materials easily. There's no complicated settings like roughness and metallic, and there you can see self-illuminate, transparency. You can adjust it like whatever kind of materials you need. If you need reflective materials, you can adjust with roughness. And if you are creating some lights, you can use self-illuminate, and there you can see it illuminate light. You can adjust it here, and you can change the color of the light. You can create whatever light effect you want. For glass materials, you can click here, and there you can see the transparency material. You can click there. There you can see it's automatically update. There you can adjust some settings like opacity, and if you want roasted glass, you can click roasted glass. And many things you can see it in real time. In V-Ray and Lumion, you need to render, and then only you can see. But here you can see real time. Same like you can adjust floor marbles or granite tiles, whatever. You can adjust the reflection. You can see if I increase roughness, there is no reflection. If I decrease the roughness, you can see there is some reflection affecting the floor area. If you want like granite, more reflective granite, you can use my little metallic thing. You need to play with this. If you want realistic things, you need to little play with things. You can get some good effect, good result also. You can adjust this kind of effects, TV effect. Okay, now we can see how to use sun path and day night. You can see shift plus right mouse button, and we can, if you drag left and right, you can adjust the sun path and day night. There you can see it changes the time, so the light and the shadow is moving. You need to adjust it whatever time you want. Next, you need to set the scene in Enscape. You need to set the scene whatever place you need to render. Then you need to click here, and render, and select the path where you need to save the image. Save it in desktop, and it will started rendering. The main thing about this software is you can see the scene in real time, and also you can render fastly comparing to other softwares like V-Ray, and it will give some quality. And you need to work a little bit, and you can get good renderings using this software. It's very effective, and I am working on some more scenes like this, and I will doing some tutorial for the next session. So if you like my content, please like, subscribe, give your support to this channel, and thanks for watching.